Hey, welcome back to Sprague Homestead. So today we wanted to discuss kind of a difficult topic, and that is when a spouse or a significant other doesn't want a homestead and how you deal with it. So where this stems from is that we see a lot of times on Facebook, on different things, that somebody in a couple, it could be the wife, the husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever it is, one of them is very passionate and wants to go homestead. They've got the urge and the ambition. They want to buy a piece of property and just sculpt it, right? They want to start with nothing, and they want to build this miraculous life and put everything they have, take loans out, go full in on it, and somebody else is like, whoa, wait a second, we're not going to go do this. And so they're like, help, I've got this person that, I'm married to, or I'm, whatever it is, and I want to go do this. How do I convince them that they have to go do this with me?
There is no answer to this, really. I mean, you can't really force somebody else to go do it. The only thing we can tell you is start small, do whatever you can where you are, and see if you can get them interested in it. Just accept that not everybody wants to do this. By and large around here, Kana doesn't want to do this. But find the things that they are willing to do and go from there. There are aspects of the life that he really enjoys, so I try and play those up. There are aspects of the life that he can't stand. Getting him to clean a pen around here, not a big deal. He'll clean a barn, but chicken pens, the rest of it's not happening. So if you've got the ambition, the drive, the energy to do it, but just do it where you're at. And if you can get your significant other to turn around and decide to do it with you, then you can look at maybe, building the house, building the farm, doing all that. But homesteading doesn't mean that you have to have, 40 acres in the middle of nowhere and be off grid. If that's not what your partner wants to do, find a way to do what you can. Maybe you give up using the dryer during the summer and line dry and grow a garden and learn to can and make your own bread. I mean, there's 1,000 ways to start that doesn't require land, big money, and living in the middle of nowhere.
I want to say, since Nikki touched on the fact that I am not passionate about homesteading, sometimes just being supportive of the dream is enough. I keep a full-time job. I have my other stuff that I'm very passionate about that I would gladly go do instead of cleaning a barn out or doing chores at night. And a lot of times, she is the driving force of doing a lot of the labor, of the maintenance, the animals in there. A lot of times when we have building projects, my part of it is I put in manual labor and funding. I would say the best goal to look for is to get away from being homestead hostile. I'll say it that way. Somebody's just angry about homesteading, to where give them the chance that they can, support it initially, and then find ways to help work them in the stuff that they do enjoy. Like you said, play it up. Have them help with the gardening, help do this or that. If you put in a lot of the labor, sometimes, you'll spur on a little bit that makes them comfortable with the idea of doing it.
I will say, if you can get some baby goats, cute little baby animals, melt a lot of icy hearts. That's it's done a lot for Kanan. Who could resist cute little baby animals? Maybe not chickens. Chickens aren't, they're fluffy a little bit. They're not as cute as baby mammals, goats, rabbits. Even baby cows are kind of cute.
Yep. So hopefully that helps address a little bit of the conversation, I guess you'd say. The reaching out of, I want to go do this, my partner, my spouse, whatever, says absolutely not. It's got to be a compromise. We've said it way early on when we did our video of the top 6 things to think about before you go homesteading. You have to get everybody's buy-in. It doesn't have to be the same buy-in. Maybe somebody's really excited about it. Somebody's kind of like, I'm not sure. But if they're supportive of the dream, that maybe is the doorway in. So with that, we'll end it there. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing. And we'll see you next time from Sprague Homestead.
Happy homesteading.